There's got to be an easier way for me to get this whole lawn mowed. I'm Stan Lyle with mastermath.info, and I do know some easier ways to do algebra. Today, we're going to be talking about multiplying with percents in algebra.
What is 5% of 60? Well, that's a multiply with a percentage in algebra problem. How do we solve this? Well, the first thing I do is circle the numbers and underline the question. The numbers are 5 and 60, and the question is what, or what is. Now this is an algebra problem, so I'd also create a variable. That what is going to be x. X is 5% of 60. Now I need to translate this into algebra. Well, I'm going to start with my x. X is, x equals. If you see is in English and you want to translate it to algebra, it's an equal sign. So x equals 5%. I just bring my 5% down, and then I say multiply times. Well, that's because of translates to multiply. And then I bring my 60 down, and I can read this as x equals 5% times 60. Well, we've come a long way, but I still am not there. I've got 5% times 60, and it's hard to multiply a percent times a number. So I've got to convert that percent into a decimal. 5% equals 5.0%, and that equals 0.05 as a decimal. How do we get there? Well, we put a 0 in front of the 5 in 5%, and then we move that decimal 2 to the left, and it becomes 0.05. And we take our percentage sign away, and 5% equals the decimal 0.05. Well, now I've got x equals 0.05 times 60. And that's easy to solve. X equals 3.
Math is meaningless if it doesn't help you understand the real world. I hope today's lesson has helped you understand math a little bit better. This is Stan Lyle with mastermath.info.